Here's a short tutorial on how to open up these locker boxes. You just come here, slide down the panel, you'd enter in the code. I'm just, for privacy's sake, I'm just going to move it off camera to get the code in. Meanwhile, there's the view of the lock. Once you get the code in, then you got to pull down on this little black lever, and then it slides forward, just like a hinge. And then you get the key out, and the keys are all numbered for each locker. Inside the box, we'll have a look. There's lots of room for big machines in here, and there's a clipboard where you can fill out your information. After you've finished all that, close it up, lock it up, put the key back in the box, and remember to scramble the numbers so that way your machine is nice and secure. Over here we have a doorbell. You can push this here and then hold down this button to talk to us if you have any questions. It runs on batteries, and we have our camera system set up as well. There's multiple cameras all over the parking lot, so you can rest assured that everything will be fine.